Hello everybody. Okay, here's a new project. We have an BMP280, which is a barometer. Can be set up with SPI or I2C. Okay, I set it up I2C, and you can see it's got temperature, it's got pressure, and it's got altitude. And I've used a Pico, Raspberry Pico H, which is a non-Wi-Fi. Okay, I don't need a Wi-Fi in this case because I'm not on the internet. But this could be actually good to get the weather. If you got an API key, you would be able to get the weather of your area and display it in on the OLED screen, to see if it's rainy today, what's the temperature. That's another way of setting it up directly alive from the internet. Any case, here are the codes. Code is, initialize your OLED, initialize your the BMP280, and it's initialize the I2C. Okay, yes, wire begin, and then I've used 7.7, but you usually is between 7.6 and 7.7. Display text, I use 1 because 2 is too big. Let me see, what else did I do here? This is obviously the Pico is running on Arduino IDE, so it's it's not Python. We usually use Tony, but yeah. Okay, so this is everything is here, and it'll be displayed on the website. Yeah, it's this could be a problem. You see, while 1 sometimes it doesn't work, but it works if you it doesn't see the data. It might see the text, but it won't see the physical value in numbers of the temperature, the altitude. I'm not sure why. So in some cases I've changed it to 0 and it works perfectly. So it depends because the Pico has a lot of SDA and SEL channel, and each one have different. I know that they have channel 1 or channel 0, but this has got nothing to do with it. It doesn't like this infinite, so that's just to be aware. If you see that it doesn't display the data, you just change 1 to 0, or if you got 0, you change it to 1, or something like that. Okay, so I think this is done. Thank you very much, and have a fantastic day.